Discover Lanzarote is your chance to get closer to the real heart and authentic soul of Lanzarote. Away from the typically mainstream holiday makers and into the more intimate world of real insider tips. Subscribe now to our YouTube channel Discover Lanzarote. Our writers, photographers and organizers have all lived in Lanzarote for more than 15 years. They spend their daily work in direct contact with the volcanic island, and the special features that make Lanzarote the extraordinary destination it is for more than 3 million people a year. We are constantly expanding our video collection with exclusive tours, sites and routes. Subscribe now to our new YouTube channel Discover Lanzarote to get to know and experience the unique volcanic landscape of Lanzarote. Also tell us which sites you would like to see described in more detail. We look forward to your comments.